to do a little bit of, my nose is so itchy, so don't mind me. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer at your service. Hey guys, welcome back to another skincare Sunday. We're gonna be playing with a new brand today, so this is gonna be like a first impressions video. This is Meaningful Beauty by Sydney Crawford. I've never tried anything from the line before. I've heard of it, but I've never heard anything about it. So this is truly a first impressions review and kind of like play around. We're gonna do the whole routine. I have most of the products here: a scrub, cleanser, moisturizer, serum, some eye patches. So let's just jump right into it. So first up is the Skin Softening Cleanser. I'm just gonna take a little dab and I'm going to rub it all over my face like we do with a normal cleanser. I feel like this might be good at removing makeup too. The verdict is my face feels soft. Oh. Yeah. The next product we're going to use is the Meaningful Beauty Revive and Brighten Eye Mask. I'm just going to put these on underneath my eyes as we do with all eye masks. I do love that these, you can't tell when they're on your face, but I do love that these are like purple. How cute. While these are on underneath our eyes, we're going to use the Intensive Triple Exfoliating Treatment. We're going to exfoliate this in circular motions around the rest of our face, and then we're going to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So these are like sliding off my face. I like the feeling of this. It's like a very light, almost like a microdermabrasion type of feeling scrub. If you guys ever tried the microdermabrasion scrub from Derma E, that's what this feels like. These do slide off your face so much though. All right guys, I'm gonna leave this mask on for 3 to 5 minutes. So my face definitely feels like super soft after that. I'm sad that the little eye patches kept sliding down my face, but that's not something that really super bothers me. I know it does for some people, but for me, as long as it does what it's supposed to do, then by all means. Then we're gonna use the Lifting Eye Cream. It's their advanced formula. Definitely feels nice. It does feel a little sticky, but then we have the Youth Activating Melon Serum. I want you guys to take a closer look at this and just look at how cool this serum looks. So it does feel a little bit tingly. I'm gonna use this little skin gem to just circulate the blood in my skin. I like to use these with like serum. As I'm using this, I can feel like the serum tingle a little bit, so I feel like it might not be good for sensitive skin, or it may actually be the scrub that might not be great for sensitive skin. So just keep that in mind. But it is not like a super heavy, strong scrub. Really, I feel like it might depend on like the pressure that you put on it. But I'm like already seeing my skin look not as dull as it did in the very beginning of the video, which is really awesome. Then we're gonna apply the Ultra Lifting and Filling Treatment. My assumption is that this is supposed to help fill in pores and lines. I'm actually going to check if we should use this more as like a primer or as kind of a serum. Let's see. Let's Google. So it is a serum, and it's designed to give skin a visible lift. So that's what I got directly from the website. And I did actually also notice, as I was Googling, you guys, every single thing that I am using in today's video, you can actually get in a 7-piece system for $70. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like I have an extra 1 or 2 products. Yes, I do. So the extra products that I have are the dark spot correcting treatment, which you'll see in a second, and also the eye patches. So those don't come in the 7-piece system, but everything else that I'm using in this video does. So if you do want to give it a shot, I think that's a really awesome way to give it a shot and have some stuff to use for travel. Most of the sizes I feel like are more of a travel size, but I feel like the serum is actually a pretty decent size. It's half an ounce, and I feel like this is a full size serum, like a good amount. Okay, so let's apply the ultra lifting and filling treatment. I'm really curious to see how this feels and if it gives a difference like immediately, or if this is something that's supposed to, you know, you're supposed to apply. What do you guys think? Do we see a difference? It does feel kind of like a dry oil. It feels good. It is a little bit thicker than the other serum, but I kind of like it. I think that this would be a really good serum to use if you're looking for a really flawless finish. The next product is the dark spot correcting treatment, and then it says skin lightener. Now, I really dislike, you guys, when products have the name lightener or lightening in them. I understand why they do, because they're meant for dark spots, but it does get me a little concerned that the product is going to lighten my whole face or kind of like edit the color of my skin. So I'm gonna apply this, but I'm going to make sure to apply it only directly to where I have dark spots or acne scarring. I don't know, I feel like I would feel so much more comfortable with a product like this if it just didn't have the word skin lightener in it. So it looks like this product, I would probably apply this product before any of your other serums or before the lifting cream, because it's balling up a little bit with that lifting cream, as you can see on my hand. You can like see it like balling up. So weird. Alright guys, so we're finally at the end of this video. We have 2 creams. One's a night cream and the other is a day cream. I'm going to try both on my hand and then see which one I'm more curious about. This is the Environmental Protecting Moisturizer, has SPF 30 in it. And then this is the Overnight Retinol Repairing Cream. So this one definitely looks like a sunscreen, but it is, again, not really a smell, but it does kind of smell like sunscreen. So there it is on my hand. Here's with my hand, nothing on it. Oh my god, the whole thing's in the gap. So then this is the Retinol Night Cream. Definitely a little bit thicker. I kind of want to try the day cream, just because we used the lifting serum and that is supposed to be used during the day. So I kind of want to see how it reacts to this. So my only thing with things that have sunscreen in them is they turn my face white. And this one, I'm really happy, kind of blends into the skin. I'm not feeling it ball up, which is good. It might have just been the ingredients in the dark spot cream and the other one mixed together. So, and that's it. All right guys, that is it for this video. First impressions, little like play around with the Cindy Crawford Meaningful Beauty Skincare Collection. As I mentioned, if you guys are curious as to how some of these work for you, you can try out that set. It said that it was like $69.95, so you can try out 7 products for that price. I always suggest trying out minis, especially when a skincare brand is a little more high-end or expensive, so that you can really get a chance to try everything and try them all together and see what you like and what you don't like and what you want to go back and purchase in a full size. I think I really do like this skincare line. I didn't think that I wasn't going to like it, but I didn't think that I was going to like it as much as I did. I feel like it is more geared towards older skin or more mature skin, and I was surprised to see that I like a couple of the products from it. I definitely like the Melon Serum. I do like the eye patches. I do like the eye cream and the cleanser, but this skin softening cleanser actually left my skin really soft after I used it. It didn't feel like that very clean, dry feeling. It just felt clean and soft. And actually all of the serums were pretty interesting. So that's it for this video today, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. What do you like from her line? What don't you like? And if you haven't tried it, tell me what you're excited to try. And if you do end up going and purchasing anything from the collection, then let me know what you purchased down below. I love you guys so much. Thanks for joining me on yet another skincare Sunday, and I will talk to you guys really, really soon. Bye!